morning, my dear students. Now I will discuss what is perfect gas and what is laws of perfect gas and what is the difference between the ideal gas and real gas. First of all, I will discuss what is perfect gas. A perfect gas or an ideal gas may be defined as a state of a substance whose evaporation from its liquid state is complete, and strictly it obeys all the gas laws under all conditions of temperature and pressure. Then, what is laws of perfect gas? The physical properties of a gas are controlled by pressure exerted by the gas, volume occupied by the gas, and temperature of the gas. Now, there are four laws, that is Boyle's law, Charles' law, Gay-Lussac law, and Joule's law, etc. Then I will discuss what is the difference between ideal gas and real gas. I will discuss what are the difference between ideal gas and real gas. First, bit 1. Ideal gas obeys all the gas laws under all conditions of temperature and pressure. But in case of real gases, it does not obey all the gas laws under all conditions of temperature and pressure. Bit 2. An ideal gas follows characteristics gas equation, which is PV is equal to mRT. But in case of real gases, it follows van der Waals equation, which is equal to P plus A by B square, V minus B is equal to mRT. Then third one, in case of ideal gas, no gas in nature is strictly a ideal gas. But in case of real gases, all gases are real, that is oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon dioxides are all real gases. Now I will discuss Boyle's law. Do you know what is Boyle's law? Boyle's law states that temperature remaining constant, the volume of a given mass of a gas varies inversely as its pressure. That means Boyle's law. Temperature remaining constant, the volume of a given mass of a gas varies directly as it's inversely proportional to pressure. V is inversely proportional to P, or V is equal to K by P, or PV is equal to K. If at a initial volume V1 and absolute pressure P1, then its new volume is V2 and new pressure is P2. Then Boyle's law can also be written as P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. This is the Boyle's law. Then I will discuss what is Charles' law. Pressure remaining constant, the volume of a given mass of a gas varies directly as its absolute temperature. B is directly proportional to absolute temperature, or we can write as B is equal to KT, or B is equal to CT. That means K, T, C are all same thing, that is constant, or V by T is equal to K. Then its equation can also be written as V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. This is the Charles law. Then I will discuss what is combined gas equation. When two laws, that is Boyle's law and Charles' law, are combined together, we get combined gas equation. First off, we know from Boyle's law, B is inversely proportional to pressure. B is inversely proportional to pressure when T is constant. From Charles' law, we know that B is directly proportional to T when P is constant. Then we combine both Boyle's law and Charles' law. We get as B is directly proportional to T by P, or B is equal to C T by P, or PV is equal to CT, or we can write as P1 V1 PV by T is equal to C, or P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. This is the combined gas equation. Next class, I will discuss some problems. That is combined gas equation, Boyle's law and Charles' law. Thank you.